ICA Initiative 424 aka The Saints. Initiated by Benjamin Travis, July 7th. Field Captain assigned, Lysandra Dixon. Experimental Wet Works Unit. Designed for mop-up operations, extractions and escalations. Probationary recruit secured for testing purposes. Full recruiting approved. May 07. Trained at Field Office AK. Excels at marksmanship, tactics, interrogation, torture, demolition. Greenlit for field work, July 07. Results exceed Class 4 expectations. Blowback minimum. Group synergy rating, very high. Success rate satisfactory. Deployed to eliminate rogue operative. Codename 47. Mission failed. Operatives KIA. Target dark.
Aloha! And welcome to the Waikiki Inn. Would you care to register, sir?
Ben Franklin.
Oh! Right this way, sir. We have a continental breakfast from 7 to 9 in the Tiki Lounge. A happy hour is from 5 to 8 in the Tiki Lounge. Mai Tais are 2 for 1, pina coladas or...
Anything less festive.
Can I bring a bottle to your room, Mr. Franklin?
Something brown.
Yes, sir.
Go with God, motherfucker.
Take status report. Take. Do you copy status report?
Mission failed.
47.
Travis.
I trusted you. You were given a mission, and you betrayed the agency. You humiliated me!